So guys, welcome to a new video. I'm quite frustrated. I just recorded a 14-minute video and the OBS was recording my top screen. Very frustrating, so this needs to now be deleted, which was a waste. So frustrating. Right, okay, so let's do this video again. So today is going to be all about technical analysis and how much I love technical analysis, because we had a trade on MTSL and the trade worked out perfectly. And when I say perfectly, I mean so precisely, like symmetrical, in the way that the trade went up and then the trade went down and the EMAs crossed and the support levels were supported. Just a beautiful trade. So if we go on to, let's just have a look on the 5-minute candle. So you can see here, MTSL this morning, broke out from 180 all the way up to around 248. Now, although I didn't get into this trade, just purely for the reasons that I'm saving up for a Trade Zero account, and I currently need around $2,000 so I can open that account. So I'm just currently saving up for an account. Hopefully by October, the 1st of October, I should have a sufficient amount of money so I can put into my account, because I don't want to put in all of my net worth into a trading account, because there is some risk to it. So I have to keep some for other investments. So I do have index funds and SIPs and stuff like that, so I can't put it all in there, so that's why I'm having to wait basically. But didn't get into this trade, but it doesn't matter about if I got in or not. It's about finding trades that are working and constantly testing strategies to see if they work, and if they do, well, it builds confidence and it builds a strategy to use next time when you are trading. So although I didn't actually profit from this trade today, I did profit in some respect, because I profit from what happened and what may happen on another stock in another time in the future. So you can see here, came all the way up, like I said, to from 180 all the way to 248. Failed at 248, which was a previous support, which I'll show you in a second. EMA's crossed over. Confirmation 1 was at around 218, but I marked here at 213 for confirmation to short. We had a bit of a double top, triple top here. Confirmation 2 when the EMA crossed the 26 EMA here. Okay, confirmation 2, which was at around 208, but I said short at 203, as you can see here, just below. Always short, wait for the confirmation, even though it's signified, even though you've had a interception, crossed over, this confirmation, the stock's going to go down. Short the stock on confirmation 1 with a small amount, and then short again on confirmation 2. And cover at the previous support, which was around 180 to around 175. You can see here I've got 2 marks, 173 and 180. Now if we go on to the 30-minute candle, or the 30-minute chart, you can see what happened. This is such a great setup, an incredibly great setup. So if we just come here, you can see on the 8th of August, we came all the way, 2 candles in a 30-minute period, so in 1 hour we came all the way up from 173 all the way up to 243. Okay, failed at 243 and then came all the way back down, trading sideways for the rest of the month, and today on the 30th of August broke out at 180, test 248, failed and came all the way down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to split. So if I just replace window and just split this vertically, and let's put the charts on here. Okay, so as you can see here, this is MTSL today. I'm just going to hide, I'm just going to remove the watermark, okay, on both of them, just so we can see quite clearly. So this is the 8th of August and this is today. And this is 15-minute and a 15-minute candle, so you can see, look at the pattern, it is basically identical. This is why I love technical analysis so much. I mean, even look at the moving averages, the exponential moving averages, they are around the same. So you can see here, the moving averages intercepted, okay, crossed over, the 6 EMA crossed over, and then it crossed over on the 26 EMA as well. Okay, and what happened? Price came all the way down from 242 all the way down to previous support. So price came down from 243 all the way down to previous support. And basically what I'm trying to say is today was a beautiful setup for MTSL, and these setups happen, you've just got to spot them. And by looking at the previous history of a stock, you can see and you can mark out levels of where you think a stock might go. So it's very important to look back and analyse what happened in the past history to kind of predict what's going to happen in the future, because as you can see quite clearly, what happened today was very, very similar to what happened at the start of the month, around the 8th of August. Coming up, kind of double topping, failing, okay, then coming all the way down to the support. This happens so often with these penny stocks. So if we take the entry price of 208 and we have our target price of 180, that's a 13.5% profit. And as you can see on here, if we go, you can see confirmation 1 was 213. So confirmation 1 was, it's gone 5 minutes, so confirmation 1 was here when the EMA is intercepted. Okay, but you don't short, you're only short on the actual candle itself, obviously. So 213, and then confirmation 2 was here, okay, which was around 203. So add those up together, divide it by 2. Obviously your shares need to be the same, so 1,000 shares add 1,000 shares, or 500 and 500. 2 lots of the same to get the average price, which those added up together divided by 2 is 208. And your target price of around 180, just because that was previous support, as you can see here. 170 to 180 is previous support where we've been trading in the past. 173 is the low point, okay. 173 was kind of the resistance where we had previously. If you go onto the hour, you can see that 170 to 180 is kind of the resistance, so that should be now the support. So 180 was our target price, and like I said, it's a 13.5% gain. 2,000 shares, only a $4,000 position. You're talking $560 profit. So, you know, beautiful setup today. If you was in this stock on the way up or even on the way down, great setup for you guys. I guarantee you made money on this. It would have been very hard not to. Beautiful setup. I wish I was in, but it's one of those things. I'm saving for a new account. So we just gotta be patient, and when these trades come along, screenshot them, save them, and when the next come along, you can practice what happened on a previous stock and hopefully profit from it. So beautiful setup today. Study the past history of charts. It only takes a couple minutes in the morning just to see, okay, what has this stock done previously. Look back on the hour, the daily, the half an hour, and just see where this stock has previous supports, previous resistance. And it's so imperative when you are day trading these stocks, because if you don't, you might miss a support level, and that could just mess up the whole trade. So I think that's going to be the end of the video, guys, as I just recorded this video previously, but it was recording the wrong screen. So that's the only disadvantage with having multiple monitors. But it's going to be the end, guys. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, leave them in the comment section below. And if you've got any queries or anything like that, you can message me in my Facebook. I have in the description, I have all my links to my social media, people I follow on YouTube, free books, ebooks and stuff like that, all downloads online. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you could help me help you, that would be amazing. And like I say, guys, I will see you all in the next video.